So far pala ano, kumusta yung kapatid ninyo? Hindi pa ba nagre-regret
Nice.
dito sa pinasok niyang
He loves
trabaho?
his job. Alam mo si Boying sa Tobo yan, very reclusive person yan eh. Walang barkada yan. Very, very
Ah,
few
talaga?
friends. Konting-konti lang talaga. He has probably 4 friends that I know of that he can really call his friends. Pero wala siyang barkada eh. Outside of the
Hmm.
fraternity brothers, but he doesn't see them often either. So yung nakikita niya talaga, konting-konti lang yan. Very, very few. He's a very private man. Hindi nga siya bagay sa politika sa amin lahat eh. Pero
Ah, talaga?
magaling talaga yun eh. Oo, pinakamagaling sa amin yan. Kaya siya yung pinili talaga namin at 2004. But ever since, talagang, for those who know him well, they can't say that they know him well kasi wala talaga siya kaibigan masyado eh. So, he
Ah,
enjoys his life, he enjoys the privacy, he enjoys being a hermit na wala siya kausap kundi mga investigators lang. That's his dream. Ito ang pinaka gustong trabaho niya. Wala siyang political compromises na kailangan daanan. Ito lang ginagawa niya, just investigating and coming up with truth and finding.
pero marami nangangadyo sa kanya dahil nagbitaw po siya ng mga salita before, no? Sabi niya by December 15 or 16, meron namang madadampot o makakasuhan yung mga big fish,
Kahit
yung mga
ako,
senador.
kinakatsawan ko siya eh. Sabi ko,
Oo.
lousy. Sabi ko, wait po naman, yung pina-excite mo ako eh. Wala tuloy akong bakasyon, di ba?
Ano sabi
Pero
niya?
si Boying kasi sabi niya, reasonable certainty of conviction. Hindi siya magpa-file na hindi siya na hanggang sigurado na pag-file niya makukonvict. As mag-a-apply siya right to speedy trial, 10 trial dates. Basta i-file ni Boying, 99% makukonvict na yung tao.
So hindi ibig sabihin na lusot na itong mga malalaking isda sa Senado tsaka sa
Ay,
Kongreso.
hindi talaga, hindi talaga. Hindi talaga. It won't go very far. I think if he applies for the right to a speedy trial, those he accuses, those who he puts under indictment, tingin ko lang by June, convicted na lahat yan.
By June.
Yes, kasi right to speedy trial, 10 trial dates lang ibibigay eh. 10 trial dates, non-extendable, walang motion for continuance, magpalit ka na ng abogado, mag-split ka na, you have 10 trial dates to prove your innocence. Ayun ang bibigay nila.
Curious pala ako, Sek, no? Kasi pamilya kayo ng politika eh. Mga politiko. May mga lumalapit ba sa inyo dito sa mga senador na ito? O mga kongresista? Para mag-go-between kay Ombudsman Boying. Baka pwede mong kausapin naman yung
Wala.
kapatid mo, ganyan-ganyan.
Siyempre, yung mga taga Cavite, kinakausap ako, yung mga kaibigan ng kaibigan, kinakausap ako kung magagawa ko sa talaga. Gusto yung pangalan dyan. Ay, hihiyaan na nga abutin natin kung gagawa pa tayo ng hindi na ako ng pasensya. Baka magkasuluyan baka ng kandila dito eh, sa mga kaibigan namin sa Cavite. Pero anong magagawa namin? Pinangalanan sila, sinabi sila, may paper trail na pinresent. So, yung mga ganyan, hindi na namin pwedeng entertain pa. Ako naman wala akong masyadong kaibigan na congressman na yung Metallica kasi all my life local ako eh. Si Boy nga nasa
Mm.
Congress talaga. Pero siya, kahit siya wala siyang kinakausap at walang pwedeng kumausap.
Speaking of Cavite, si Bong Revilla po ba? Medyo, ito ba yung tinutukoy nyo? Medyo nag-sound off?
Taga Cavite siya. So, again, yung friends of friends have approached us. So, wala akong, uh, for him directly, hindi naman. Pero maraming nagsasabi kung may kaya pang tulungan. Ang laging sagot namin, talagang abogado na lang ang solusyon dito sa lahat.
By the way, Sek, dito sa mga nag-observe dito kay Ombudsman Boying, na sinasabi nila, okay yung redemption arc ni Ombudsman Boying kasi he was not exactly seen
Yes,
as a good guy, 'di ba? Especially during the previous administration dahil
yes,
sinuportahan niya si
yes.
Duterte. What do you say to that? Na from your perspective, anong nagda-drive sa kapatid ninyo para gawin itong mga ito? Marami siyang binabangga eh.
An epiphany, I think, during 2024 when he went through one entire year of poor health. I think he had a spiritual advisor who he confided on. And I think he made a promise to be the best person he could be. Pagbalusutan niya lahat yan. So far, he's in the clear. It's been a year since he's been pronounced healthy. Lahat ng PET scans niya are negative. And I think that what drives him the most, it is this second chance in life to do what is right, to do what is good and to do what it takes for the Philippines to advance and for the Filipinos to benefit.
So is he for real? Itong ginagawa niya. Tuloy-tuloy to.
I think, no, it is for real. I guarantee you it's for real. If there's anything that Boying is not, once he says he's gonna do it, gagawin niya talaga yan eh. Hindi talaga tumitigil yan. And he was cast as a villain before kasi sabi niya gagawin niya to. Kasi may personal gripes din siya dati sa ABS eh, which I didn't agree with. Pero nag-away pa nga kami niyan dahil dyan eh. Pero
Ako rin
gagawin
eh,
niya
hindi ako
talaga
natuwa
yan.
sa ginawa niya eh.
Ako personally, hindi talaga eh. I called him out on it. I really call it. Isang taon kami nag-usap niyan ha. Yung,
Isang
do you
ano?
remember that? Isang taon
Gano'ng
kami
katagal?
hindi nag-usap ni Boying. Oo, gano'n katagal. Lalo na nung after na nag-Zoom meeting sila nila Mike Defensor, tapos they were having glasses of wine, tawanan sila. Nangyari po sa kanya, sabi ko, 11,000 people lost their jobs. You think it's right to laugh? Magtatawa kayo, magpa-party kayo sa harap ng buong Pilipinas? You're dividing the spoils of war? Mali yan. And he got mad at me.
Nagalit?
Siya sa akin na nakikialam. But I told us, no, totoo yan. And you can ask any members of our family. Isang taong kami hindi nag-usap niya. After that. Kala na iba drama eh. Hindi talaga nag-usap. Our sisters had to intervene. At mag-usap ulit kami.
O talaga. Medyo
And then
pinagsisihan
that's how
ba niya yan after? Medyo pinagsisihan po ba niya
Again?
after yan? Hindi. Medyo
We haven't
pinagsisihan ba
talked
niya yung
about
ginawa
it.
niya?
We haven't talked about it after. Parang water under the bridge na yan. When it came kasi to being Justice Secretary, hindi naman ganyan perspective. Now, I think he needs, if there's anyone who leads a more purposeful life, then he, kumunti na lang yan eh. He leads a very purposeful and dedicated life. Just see this to the end.